Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you the unboxing of Mi Portable Bluetooth speaker 16 watts. So on the front you can see product image, and this side you can see some information about the Mi Portable Bluetooth speakers. Like this, you can open the box. So inside the box, first you can see this small box, and inside the box you can see one USB Type-C cable for charging and one user manual which will give you information about the speaker. Next we have speaker itself. Looks really stylish and premium in this black color. This side you can see Mi branding and power on off button, volume buttons, play and pause button, Bluetooth connectivity button and function button. This is very lightweight and you can easily take this speaker with you with the help of this stripe. This side you can see USB Type-C port and aux-in option. So that's all you get inside the Mi Portable Bluetooth speaker 16 watts box. Thanks for watching.